Bootstrap version 4 stable release has been available for some time, and the entire project has been migrated to version 4. And previously it was on version 3, and as per Bootstrap's migration guidelines, it says that Bootstrap 4 is a major rewrite, and there is a list of changes that are summarized in this particular migration page, and this is particularly useful to upgrade to Bootstrap version 4. And let's look at some of the changes to the application. The entire application, as mentioned, has been the CSS has been rewritten to adopt the version 4. This is the sign-in page, and the home page looks a lot better compared to the previous design. This is done using Bootstrap's card layout, and previously it was done using custom CSS to emulate a tile structure. It is a lot easier to do this with Bootstrap for cards. And the concept of panels is not there, so this is another example of a Bootstrap card. Bootstrap cards can do all the things that you would expect from panels. And again, other changes within the application where with the navbar, one notable change is that you can create a navbar item simply by using a particular new class rather than relying on the unordered list and list item tags. What this means is that one layer of hierarchy can be saved, and this has to be kept in mind because it will affect any combinator CSS that has been used for custom look and feel. Forms have also got a number of changes on the classes that are present. For example, it's always important to keep the forms simple as always, and the labels have new classes and also to control their sizes. Again, the help block class, which is used to display the help text, is now replaced with a new class by the name form text. This seems to be a better option for a Django application, and the reason being that the error check in the template can be moved outside the element. Of course, it can be moved outside the element anyways, but with version 4 it was so much easier. And display and hide, some classes have been dropped altogether. For example, the application used the class hidden for small and medium small devices to hide the username in the navbar, but this has been replaced completely with a combination of screen size and values. And margins and paddings, new formatted classes are in place in Bootstrap version 4, and this helps to control the values for each breakpoint. For example, there is a class MB4. You can where M stands for margin, B stands for bottom, and 4 is the size, the value. So there is also another class which helps with auto margin, which is MR auto, which has been used in this particular application's navbar to align the user account icon and the username to the right of the navbar. The effort was definitely worth it when viewed on multiple screens. A total of the project has a total of 66 HTML templates, which includes template fragments, designed forms, and all those things. There are custom CSS files which amount to 10, and at least 2 of them were entirely dropped because of the migration into Bootstrap 4 and utilizing the card structure. For example, the charts that have been designed using custom CSS have been dropped altogether from the project. So the effort was worth it when viewed on multiple screens. Um, if we look at the mobile screen of the screenshot of the home page, this is from a Microsoft Lumia 630 device, which has a screen size of 480 by 854 pixels. So it renders really well on even on that device. Um, this falls under the category where it is very small, a new tier that has been added to the grid structure of Bootstrap based on Flexbox. And this is a screenshot from a Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 in the portrait mode. Notice that the new class that has been used to hide the username does its job well as expected, and you can see only the icon for the user account on the navbar. And the screen size is about 1536 by 2048 pixels. And the regular one, which is a 4K laptop, widescreen display, it aligns itself very well on this particular screen size too. So Bootstrap 4 works a lot better, and the application does look and feel better on Bootstrap 4. That's it.